Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to change your username on Twitter. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the top left corner. From the side panel, tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on your account from the given option. Now tap on Account Information. Tap on the username at the top of your screen. Enter your username. Once you enter your new username, tap on Done. And you will change your username on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to change your username on Twitter. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.